Hello traders, welcome to this video on the trend lines with breaks indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool helps you draw and monitor key trend lines and then visually highlights when price breaks those lines, giving you structured insights into potential reversals, breakouts, and trading opportunities. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now, as you can see, the trend line with breaks indicator assists in plotting trend lines that represent support, resistance, channels, or reversal zones, and then marks when price breaks above or below these lines. As you can see here, this marking and over here. When a trend line break is confirmed by the indicator, it visually signals a potential breakout or trend reversal, especially if the move is strong and accompanied by higher volume. After the break, price often pulls back to retest the broken trend line. The indicator helps you spot these pullbacks, which can become additional trade opportunities in the direction of the breakouts. Now we have the swing detection look back in the settings, the slope, and the slope calculation method. We also have back painting, which you can turn off or on, and we have alerts notifications, both email and push. And also adjust the color of the trend lines for support and resistance. Now, who is it for? The trend line with breaks is suitable for traders who rely on trend line analysis for breakouts and reversals and want visual confirmation of significant breaks. It's a lagging price-based tool that can still produce false signals in volatile or fake breakout conditions, and trend line drawing remains subjective, so different traders may see different setups. It should be used with other technical and fundamental tools and robust risk management, not as a standalone strategy. The download link can be found in the description below. You can read the full trend lines with breaks indicator article, including detailed buy sell criteria, pros and cons, and integration tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.